In today's AI tutorial, we take a look at the new and exciting feature of Hailuo AI Video Generator, image-to-video transformation. You'll learn how to access this AI tool, write better prompts, and get some camera tips to enhance your creations. Additionally, we'll create videos with different inputs and compare them to see how powerful this AI tool really is. Open this website. They introduced English version. I put the link in the description. In this video, I showed you how to use Hailuo AI Video Generator text-to-video model. Press Sign In button and log in with your Gmail. When you use the image-to-video feature, adding prompt is optional. You can let AI animate your image. You can see the format and the size required for use in this section. Click on the image icon. If you have already uploaded images, you can select them here. To upload a new image, drag it here. You can download or delete the result from here. You can also click on the result, see the prompt, download or delete it. To use image-to-video feature, use high-quality images. Watch these videos on my channel to help you. For simple things that you want to see in your video, you can leave the prompt box blank. You may get a better result based on your image, but sometimes it's better to completely describe what you want in the prompt box. So remember, for simple action, sometimes it's good to let the AI animate your image. Note that when you write prompt, it's better to use more details. You have a specific scene in mind, so let the AI figure out exactly what you want. When we say add more details, we mean determine your subject and add details about the subject's appearance and posture. Determine how the subject acts and what's happening in this scene. Describe the scene, type of light, and overall mood of the video. I suggest you describe the camera movement and not just using camera keywords. To create a consistent character or environment, you need to provide as much information as possible. If you've tried everything and don't get exactly what you want, try again and change the prompt to a better way. You have 3 options to write your prompt. The first option is to see other people's prompts and try to write your own prompt. The second option is to get help from ChatGPT. Ask something like this. After that, write what you want and let ChatGPT build it in more detail. The third option is to use Prompt Optimizer from this section. When you enable it, your prompt will automatically change to enhance generation quality. So if you need exact precision for specific elements and want the AI to show you exactly what you write in your prompt, disable it. In this video, I showed you how to create hybrid animal videos. You can use Hailuo AI to create such a video. If the video was helpful, like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Currently, this tool has paid plans. Go to the subscribe section. In the free plan, you get daily credits. You can get 3-day free trial with unlimited access. Check out the different plans and decide which one to use based on your needs. Thanks for watching.